Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing these LV nails that was inspired by _slay by K on Instagram. Go check her out. But I just started with application using Nail Hoss Melanin. And I decided not to include the pushing back the cuticles and the whole prep because I just felt like I have a whole dedicated video on that. So if you like to see that, you can go to my channel and check it out. It'll also be linked on the screen. So yeah, I'm going in with Nail House Melanin, and I really wanted to like paint this on. Like I didn't want it to be too what's the word? I want it to be a little bit see-through because I just feel like it gives it a better effect. Like I didn't want it to be a full nude color. So if you see me painting it on, that's why. And the brush that I'm using is size, I want to say this is a size 16 from iGel Beauty. When I first got the brush, it was like shedding like crazy, and I was like, oh my god, this is a nightmare. But after me using it for like, I've been using it for like a month and a half now, and it works perfectly fine. I like it. And you see me just applying the acrylic to like where the tip starts and up because I want the LV to be beneath the ombre. I don't want the LV to be on top of the color. So that's why I'm working the way I'm working. Now I'm going in with the foil glue. I got this one from a cart, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it on one coat on each of the nails. I really like this foil glue because it works really well. It like takes minimum effort to get the foil to stick on there. At first when I did this set before, and at first when I did it, it was really hard. It gave me trouble, but that's because I was using a different foil from a different brand, and I didn't really like it. So I really like McCart. I cured these for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with the foil, and I'm going to put it on a nail. I kind of just place it on it really lightly, and then I use my finger to rub it in. I think that's best. And then after, I take my mixing spoon for acrylic and I just get in it really good. You could use a cuticle pusher. It does the same thing. Use literally anything. Just make sure you push all like in there. And I do that on all the fingers. And I leave the foil on there like as I'm doing the other fingers because I just feel like, I don't know, but I feel like the longer it sits on there, the better it'll adhere to the nail without you having to like really do much. Because sometimes when you put the foil on and you try to lift it up, it'll have like some missing spots and stuff. So I just like to leave it on there. And this nail foil is from Secret Nail Affair on Instagram. And y'all, I know I'm the worst because I definitely forgot to record me ripping the foil off of each nail. I know I'm the worst. But I included one clip because I remembered. So this is how it looks when you take it off. I peel it off lightly and I keep checking to make sure it's there before I pull it all the way off. And now I go in with a base coat and I cure that for 60 seconds too. This is from Amelie. I think that's what it's called. Well, everything is in my Amazon link in the description. But when I did this set before, and when I did it, like when I would put clear on top of it, it would melt it. I don't know why. And then like Sydney Alexis did a video recently on this, and somebody in her comments said to apply a base coat first and then wipe it off, and it just works better. So that's what I did. This is the base coat that I used. It worked really well. When I went to apply the coat of clear acrylic, nothing melted. I just wiped it off with an alcohol pad. And as you'll see, I forgot to do the pointer finger with every step that I was doing after this. I didn't put the base coat on it. I just messed it up. So I ended up having to take it off and put it back on. You're gonna see, and I just redid it, and yeah. So now I'm going in with the clear acrylic and I'm just painting it on just so I could protect the LV, because I just want to make sure that it's locked and sealed in there and nothing messes with it. I'm going in with Melanin from Nail House again, the same color that I use as the base, and I'm just ombreing it. I'm being really gentle when I'm swiping down the color. You don't want to put a lot of pressure, and you also want to make sure that you work wet so that it's a seamless blend. At this moment, I knew I fucked up. No, but for real, when I went to go put this on there, I kind of noticed that it was just messing up. You see, it just came off. Like, it's like the acrylic just melted it. So I was like, F. And then I just decided to continue. But you're going to see me go back and you're going to see me redo it and fix it. And everything's going to be on point. And y'all, let me just tell y'all how I'm so happy, because I just ordered my phone and it came in the mail, so I'm able to record like a whole bunch of videos. But when it first came, Apple was playing with me. Like, it said it delivered, but it never even delivered. And they did the same thing with my AirPods, so I knew it never delivered. But I was so sad because I had announced that I was gonna be making videos on my on my Instagram page, and then I couldn't make videos. But now I'm back, so look forward to some videos. Period. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, say hey in the comments. If you have no freaking idea who I am at underscore the tip factory on Instagram. You can check me out. I am a new nail tech, but I think that I'm doing really good. So I was like, let me show my techniques to the world or whatever. And if you're from Instagram, hey girl, what's up? Thank you for watching my video. For real. Thank all y'all for watching my video. And just continue to watch me slay, okay? I'm going in and capping the whole thing with clear acrylic because every time you do ombre, you have to encapsulate it. So I'm capping the whole thing, and I'm also building my apex while I'm capping it in clear. I'm making sure that I'm putting just a little bit more acrylic in the apex area, as you can see me do right there. You want to make sure that you build your apex. Apex is so important, especially when you have longer nails, because it will hurt. Like when I do my own nails, I noticed that when I do my own nails, I like to do my nails really, really long. And so that's where I figured out where the apex is, because I'm self-taught. Nobody taught me this. But whenever I do my own nails, I pay attention to where the apex is when it doesn't hurt. And then I do that on my clients. Make sure you're always turning the nail around as you see me doing, to make sure that the application is even, make sure the apex is there, just make sure that it's overall good, so that way you don't have to go in and do too much filing down and stuff. You know what I mean? Work smarter, not harder. Now let's get into shaping. I make sure I get the sides and I get all the acrylic off the skin, so that way there is no lifting. And then I just hold the file straight because I'm doing square tape is square. My client is a nail biter, so her nail beds are just a little bit wider. But yeah, I was going for the tapered square look. The nail file that I'm using is a 100 grit nail file. I got this from my local nail supply store, but you can find this on Amazon. You can find it really anywhere. I don't think the file that you use really matters. But yeah, before I was using just some random 100 grits from Amazon. It's in my Amazon list that is in the description below. So yeah, you can check that out. As you can see, I'm going from side to side. I'm not just filing on one side too much because I don't want it to be crooked, or I don't want one side to just be leaning in. And I also didn't record me filing around the cuticles or anything, because when I do it, I get really, really close, and then my whole bonnet is in the camera and then you can't even see anything. Now I'm going in with my spray bottle. It's just water in there. There's no soap. And I'm spraying the nails down, each nail down. I already dusted it off and stuff. And then I'm going in with this little tool. It's like a brush that came in a McCart drill bit set. It's going to be linked in my Amazon list below. But yeah, I use this to just go around the cuticle, go under the nail, make sure I get all the dust off the nails so that I could continue on with the polish. This is really, really good for people who work from home. I work from home, and I personally don't let people use my bathroom, so they can't really wash their hands. So this works really good. Now I'm going in with top coat. I'm using IBD top coat from Amazon. That's also going to be in my Amazon list in the description box below. I like this top coat. The only thing about this top coat is that it is very thick. And I'm finishing off with some cuticle oil around the cuticles, getting all the crust off the top of her nails. And y'all, thank y'all so much for watching my video. For real. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. More videos is gonna be coming real soon. I think I'm just gonna record every single set that I do, or most of them, because sometimes my clients just be wanting pink and white. But yeah, this is how they came out. Comment down below if you love them. I love them. I really like it. I think they came out so cute. Thank y'all for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.